Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. Yes, we are going to begin with the new chapter, that is subtraction. Now, children, as you have already learned the three place values, that is ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Right, children? All the three places you have learned. है ना? So, what we are going to do is that now you know how to add, how to subtract, okay, through backward counting and all. Now what we are going to do is that now the numbers have been given and you'll be told to write in the proper place and then subtract. So how to put the number in proper place? Okay, when the three digit number, two digit number, one digit number is given, sometimes children are confused. They write the single digit in tens place, and this is what all happens. So I would like to clear that concept, that and I want to clear that problem, that confusion which you have, children. I want you that you should try to solve on your own, and in case if you have problem, then you can take help of your parents. So little bit of activity will do. Okay, and we'll try to understand this, children. Okay, so let us begin. Yes, the new chapter maths, and we are going to do the subtraction. What we will do? Subtraction. Okay, now children, this is a dice. है ना? This is called dice. It's a cube. Do you remember? I have explained you cube. It's all its surface is square. The cube is made up of square. Okay, with the help of this we will form the numbers and then we will write in the proper column. How it is given in the work. See, this is video 1 wherein I will be explaining you through this activity, and in video 2 I will be sending you the worksheet. So both you go through. Okay. Now see, children, usually you have seen the three places you have, like ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Okay. And the columns are given like this to you. Okay. Like this it is given. And the small box is given to write the sign. So first we will form the numbers. You can do like this at your home. You also can make the numbers. Now how much I got? Wait. This time I got 6, so I'll write 6. We are making the numbers. Again 6, okay, 6. It would have been a Ludo. Yes, now 3. Okay, then I'll put a minus sign. Now we'll make a 2-digit number. Okay, good. 4. 3, very good. Only 2-digit number only we will make. Now we'll try to write this number over here. Okay, now this is 663. You know this is in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. So we will write the number 3-digit like this, children. 43, 2-digit number, so will be here only. If it is 1-digit number, you would have written here only. It is being a 2-digit number, so ones num place and tens place. Now this is minus sign, so we'll do subtraction. 3 minus 3, you know, from 3, you minus 3, you take away, you will get 0. From 6, okay, from 6, if you take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4 कर दो बेटा, so you will get 2. Here it is, here there is nothing, कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे, so write 6 as it is. So the answer is 620. Okay, next now we will make one more. Okay, ठीक है. Now we make 3-digit and 3-digit. This you try to do it at home also. You will enjoy this. Oh my, again 6. Chalo, 6. Yes, 2. So 2. Yes, 1. Good. Now subtraction. We'll take 3 more digit number. Okay, good. 4. Okay. Again. Okay, we'll take less number. Without regrouping we have to do, so we need a small number. Can I get it? Okay, chalo, we'll take 2. Okay, no, yes, 1. Chalo, 1. Let us write these numbers now. Again we'll make a box. Okay, small here, here it is, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We'll write 621. This number over, this is how we have to write. This is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Similarly, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, beta. Always the number this side is ones place, this number is in tens, and this is in hundred. So now अपने place में, like after the school gets over, you go to your own home, है ना. Similarly, these numbers also, they go to their own place. They, when they're in the class, they sit in own place. When and after the school gets over, they go to their home. This number's home is ones, this home is tens, and the home of this number is hundred. So they are back to their place. Let us subtract now from 1. If you take away 1, you get 0. From 2, if you take away 2, you get 0. From 6, minus 4 करना है बेटा. 6 up and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 down कर दो. कितना बचा? 2. So this is how we will be solving it and doing it, beta. ठीक है. So that's all, beta. Take care. God bless you. This is only the activity through which I have done. Even you make a number and do it. And the next video is a worksheet. Please kindly go through it. Thank you, children.